Hey guys, Birdman here, bringing you this Disney Princess Play-doh designer dress boutique unboxing video. As you can see, this is an elegant toy made by the guys over at Play-doh. It is intended for all children ages 3 and up. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside. So here's everything that was included inside the box. We have the stage, both of our wonderful princesses, our instructions, miscellaneous parts, and of course, last but not least, you can't forget the Play-doh. Now let's take a closer look at the 4 different types of Play-doh that are included. So I've laid them all out here on the table to examine. First we have purple, next we have sparkly pink, our third Play-doh is yellow, and our fourth and final Play-doh is regular pink. 4 wonderful choices to choose from. You can't go wrong with any color. Next we can take a look at our 2 princesses. Princess Rapunzel on the left in the purple, and Princess Belle on the right in the yellow. Let's see what my son's up to today. Yo, what you want for dinner? Hello? What the fuck? Let me catch my fucking son playing with Barbies. It's just a prank, bro.
You got a secret, like you victorious. I'm back on a Tuesday and fucking feels glorious. I'm on the backbeat, sipping in the backseat, listening to NSYNC. No, not Backstreet.